What if I told you there's a way to use VO3 completely free, with no daily limit, and generate unlimited high-quality videos, just like top creators, without paying money? Sounds unreal? Watch this video till the end, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So, let's get started. First, head over to your PC and open your browser. In the search bar, type Google Vids and hit enter. The official site should appear right at the top. Go ahead and click on it. Now, here's the important part. You need to log in using the same account that had access to the 15-month Gemini Pro plan. If you haven't created your Gemini Pro account yet, don't worry. I've already uploaded a full tutorial on my channel. I'll also leave the video link in the description below. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard that looks very similar to a professional video editor. It's packed with features. You can explore and even edit videos here. But the main thing I want to show you today is how to access VO3. On the right-hand side, click on Generate. A new dashboard will appear. At the top, you'll see an option for VO2. Click on that and switch to VO3. Now, I'll demonstrate by generating a few videos myself. I'll grab a few prompts from ChatGPT, copy one of them, paste it into the prompt box, and hit Create. After a few minutes, the video will be ready, and there you go. A high-quality video, done and ready to download.
Hey guys,
To download it, just right-click on the video and select Save as Video. To make the next video, just click on Edit, paste your new prompt, and hit Create again. You can repeat this process as many times as you want. There are no limits. Let me now show you how many videos I've created in As you can see, I've generated a lot of videos in just one session. Compare that to Gemini Pro. You're limited to only 4 videos per day, and with regular VO3 access, you get capped after using 1,000 credits. But using this method, you're free to create unlimited videos every single day. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this super useful. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss powerful tips like this one.